Hi friends, myself Abhijit. I am now showing you a special move. The move is discovered by me. Outwardly, this is a sacrifice or gambit, but actually, this is a danger move, especially for black. Now I am playing white. I named the move Abhishek according to my name. Please watch till to the end and tell me how it is in the comment section. And if you like, please like and subscribe. Now let's start. E4, E5, Bishop C4, Bishop C5. So here is a traditional game opening, we all know. So here both sides seems equal. Although it is a traditional opening, let's see that there may be some trick. Pause the video and think about it. What may be the trick? What may be the gambit? Okay, have you got it? Now let's see. Here is the stunning move, Abhishek. Here sacrifice. Bishop cross. The pawn, the weak pawn, defended by the king. Now let's see what I am doing here. I have captured the weak pawn of the black king. Now what can the king do? It may either go to the two black square or may capture the bishop. Here the greatest move for the black is to capture the bishop. So king capture bishop. Now queen h5 check. Here you can pause the video and see what is the tricky move. At first, where can the king go? If the king goes here, the two black square, there are the three black square for the king remaining. Suppose the king wants to defend the pawn, so the king goes here. Now I can give it a check. Check. The king moves here. Now, what is the best move for white here? Pause the video and see it. Suppose the best move is this is the ultimate result of Abhishek. Let's see. The best move is the king side pawn and thread the middle pawn. Push the king side pawn and thread the middle pawn of the board. Now what can black do? Black king is in danger position. Here the black queen comes to exchange. Or the bishop can try to defend the pawn. Now, if the bishop tries to defend the pawn, we will threat the bishop. The bishop goes again. We will again threat the bishop. Now what can the bishop do? It captures. Now what may be the best move for black? The best move for white is here, check. So you can see that entire position of black is now going against it. Now I can easily capture the queen also, rook also, everything. Now let us start again. E4, E5, bishop B6, sorry B4, bishop C5, bishop cross the weak pawn, the king cross bishop, queen check, if the king goes behind then you can easily capture this middle pawn. Now if the queen comes here, you can easily capture this bishop. If the queen doesn't come, if the bishop is defended, then you can easily move your power and you can attack also here again. Now let's see that here the knight and this rook cannot easily get out, though the knight can, but not the rook. There is a cross on the rook, you can see here. That means I not only broke the castle but also captured two pawns, and moreover I made a rook inactive. So this is the ultimate result of Abhishek. And in the middle of the board there is also a tree. I will see you in the next video that we can capture the queen also if black makes some blunder, obviously. Otherwise the game continues and ultimately white can get the better position. Okay, thank you.